Through the doubt, we have no fear. Hands held high, together we stand. We're stronger than we've ever planned. The world's been cold, but we're on fire. Rising up, taking us higher. We won't break, we won't fall. We'll keep going through it all. Together we rise, we're breaking the chain.
Pull out. Under. Move forward, under. Go, go. Ito na, go. Pull it. Talaga na pull. Go. Pag mo dito sa katawan mo, pull it side, yan. Pull it side, go. Pull it side. Go. Start the pull. Yan, perfect. Okay, go to the body. Pag mo ilip pa, go na, go. Start the feet back. Good. Don't leave it. Side down. Good, go. Wag mo yung cross. Sharpen mo. Oh. Kasi pagka hindi natin pinerfect yung sa practice, hindi ka magkakaroon ng muscle memory. Ngayon, magagawa mo na naman lagi yung mali. Kailangan dito pa lang, tama na yung gagawin mo. Go. Let's go. Go. Do your best. Sharp. Ulit. Hindi jump. Drop lang. Go, bili. Show me your best. Wag kang ano dyan, go. Para sa'yo yan. Wide your cross. O, ulit. Wag kang mag-pause sa switch. Go, bisa mo. Yun na lang, go. Ready, go. Hey, sabi ito. Ano? Kasi, isipin mo na yung gagawin mo bago ka mag-go. Parang hindi tayo ulit, saka wag kang umiyak. Napakaduwag mo pag umiyak ka. Go. Pag hindi mo magawa, pakita mo yung best mo. Wag kang umiyak, go. Sige, go. Wag kang umiyak. Go. Cross it low. Wag kang mag-pause ano. Oh. Yan. Cross it wide. Oh. Let's go. Do the same. Sharp lang. Sharp mo lahat. Walang sharpness yung nakita ko. Go. Cross it low. Sharp. Cross it low. Traveling. Ulit. Traveling. Kitang-kita. Bilisan mo. Gusto mong gumaling sa laro eh. Pagpapaturo ko eh. Tapos pag tinuturuan ka, nagagalit ka. Ano gusto mong gawin ni daddy? Oh, lifting. Di ba? Ulit. Daddy, gusto mo matuto eh. Nagpapaturo ka eh. Go. Huwag kang umiyak. Go. Crossover lang yan. Go. Sige. Let's go. Go na. Oh. Huwag kang mag-post sa ano. Dribble na kagad. Pull and dribble. Yan. Oh, wide mo na lang yung crossover mo. Okay na. Yan. Oh, paggalit. Nagagawa mo yung paggalit eh. Oh. Kailangan nagagalit ka pa bago mo galingan eh. Oh. Oh, now run back. Isa pa. Perfect, ganun. Perfect na yun. Pag nagagalit, nagagawa. Let's go. Oh, wide mo pa yung cross mo. Wide mo. Yan. Wide your cross. Don't worry. Yan. Oh. Kaya mo naman eh. Oh. Go. Brad. Maghahapa ka lang. Yun. Brad. Good. Kaya mo naman. Kaya mo lang gawin. Brad. Diba? Oh. Brad. Gusto mo makita yung Brad. Yun. Oh, go. Brad. Sharp flag. Not hapak. Sharp flag. Good. Flag and pull. Good. Burst of speed. Yan, good. Burst of speed. Speed. Okay lang. Go.